please.
Hello, my name is Israel Schneider. I met somebody called Dale Griffin years ago, and he told me, he actually showed me how the Medinas Israel is like a backdrop, and Yehuda v'Shomron make the face of a person. And Kabbalistically, Medinat Israel is the Shir Malchus, and Yehuda v'Shomron is the Shir Tiferes, the Zer Anpin. It's the face of a person in profile. The idea that I want to talk about is that at the top of the head of this profile is the tefillin. Wherever it is, I don't remember now. The name of the place is exactly where Shomron ends and it becomes the Galil. Wherever it is, that's where the tefillin are. Then you draw a diagonal line to the Yarden. That's the Ritzua. This is a magic line from the top of the Shomron to the Yarden, which is on the parts of the strap of the Ritzua Tefillin Shalosh. And then you take the dimensions of that line and you make an equilateral triangle, and then you make a Star of David, right? So 6 lines, and this is magical. And then in the middle you have a very important point. I don't know, maybe it's Beit El. Again, somebody has to do this on the map and figure it out. In Kitzur, this is homework for anybody who wants to do it. To try to draw this line, 6 lines, the Magen David, and the Merkaz, and this should be something extremely important. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I think you should do the work, and we'll next time you come to Jerusalem, you'll bring the map, and we'll show our listeners.
It's not so easy. It's not such an easy job. You have to somebody who knows about maps. Drawing lines. It's not for an amateur, but okay, we'll see. I'll call Minashaman. If I have somebody to even if it's Yeshua Meir, who's a very mixed up guy, maybe we can do it. I don't know.
Okay.
Now I want to say a second. Sicha, you ready?
Yeah, go. Keep talking.
Hello, my name is Yeshua Schneider. I want to talk about some gematriot. I spoke recently that in order to come to Simcha, we should have Emunah, that is Tov. If we believe that there's goodness in this world, we can be happy. So we have 3 concepts: Tov, Emunah, and Simcha. Now, the gematriot of Emunah is 102, and I heard from Rabbi Ginsburg that it's 6 times 17. 6 times it says Tov in Maaseh Bereshis. 6 times 17 equals 102, Emunah. So you have to find the Tov in the 6 different directions, the 6 different spheres, 6 Ksavot, and then...
Rabbi Israel, since you mentioned Rav Ginsburg, I heard from him also, Hashgacha Pratis is Gematria 1020, which is 10 times Emunah, and 10 times of anything is a true fulfillment of the Devar.
Thank you very much. Now, twice Emunah equals Tzaddik. Tzaddik, the Gematria Tzaddik is 204, and this is 12 times 17. This is the Yud Beis Alachsonim that we find in the Sefer Yetzirah. Okay. So we have Tov and Emunah. We have Emunah in Tov. And so 102 and 17 is 119, which is Tam. Tamu Tov Hashem. My Tam is 7 times Tov. It's like the middle point, right? Like the there's the Sheish Ktavos, northeast, west, north, east, south, west, up, down, and the middle point, the Heichal HaKodesh, in the terminology of the of the Sefer Yetzirah, so that's the seventh Tov. The 7 times 17 equals 119, which is Tam, which is Ma'at. This is what the Rebbe says. What does the Rebbe say again? What's the pasuk?
Tamo Riki Tov.
No, what does the Rebbe say in there's Od Ma'at
Ve'ein
in Russia. Od Ma'at. Ma'at equals Emunah Tov. Now, you have Emunah that there is Tov in the person. Emunah Tov. Ve'ein Russia. Right? Even the Russia, there's a place that is not a Russia. Right? The Ma'at, the town, the Emunah Tov. Okay. Now, we go further and we add the 353, which is the gematriot Simcha, right? We're saying Emunah Tov Simcha. So 353 plus 119 should bring us to 472, and with the 3 words 475, which is Ata, now, right? The Ita, now. The be here now. The now is to have the Tov and the Emunah and the Simcha. Right? Now. Also, 475, Ata is Das with the Kola, right? So we have Das because we have Tov, Emunah, and Simcha with Amen, Amen. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rabbi Schneider, and okay.